In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to convert a PowerPoint presentation into a JPG image, step by step. This is perfect if you want to share your slides as images, upload them to social media, send them in an email, or use them in graphic design projects. The best part is you don't need any third-party software because PowerPoint has this feature built in. I'll also show you how to adjust the image quality before saving. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation. Make sure the file you want to convert is fully edited and finalized, because once you export it as a JPG image, it will no longer be editable like a normal PowerPoint slide. Now, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on the File tab. This will open the Backstage view, where you'll see several options like Home, New, Open, Save, and more. From the menu on the left-hand side, click on Export. The Export section is where PowerPoint allows you to change your presentation into different file formats, such as PDF, video, or image files. Once you're inside the Export menu, click on Change File Type. This option allows you to select a completely different format for your presentation. You'll now see different categories of file types. Look for the section labeled Image File Types. Under this section, find and click on JPEG File Interchange Format, which will show as star.jpg in parentheses. Now, double-click on JPEG File Interchange Format to proceed. As soon as you do this, PowerPoint will open a Save As window, asking where you would like to save your image files. Before you click Save, let me show you something important. If you want to change the image quality or reduce the file size, look near the Save button for an option called Tools. Click on Tools, and from the drop-down menu, choose Compress Pictures. Here, you can adjust the resolution depending on how you plan to use the images. If you need high-quality images for printing, choose a higher resolution. If you're uploading online or sending by email, a lower resolution can help reduce file size. After selecting your preferred compression settings, click OK to confirm. Now, choose the location on your computer where you want to save the files. You can select your desktop, documents folder, or any specific folder you prefer. Once you've selected the location, click Save. At this point, PowerPoint will ask you an important question. It will prompt you to choose whether you want to export every slide or just this one. If you select every slide, PowerPoint will create a separate JPG image for each slide in your presentation and place them inside a new folder. If you select just this one, only the currently selected slide will be saved as a JPG image. Choose the option that works best for your needs. After you make your selection, PowerPoint will automatically convert your slides into JPG format. If you selected every slide, open the folder where you saved the files, and you'll see each slide saved as an individual image, numbered in order. And that's it. You've successfully converted your PowerPoint presentation into JPG images. This method is quick, simple, and doesn't require any extra software. It's especially useful for sharing slides with people who may not have PowerPoint installed, or for uploading slides as images to websites and social platforms. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step PowerPoint and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.